Hey guys, Nubdub here, back with another video, and today we're going to be taking delivery of a Tesla Model Y. So I really didn't think that I was going to be making a taking delivery video so soon, but yeah, stuff happens, and let's get to it. So this right here is my family's 2004 Toyota 4Runner, and I've been using this car as my daily, and I've wanted to feature this car in my channel. I had plans for it in the future, but I guess that's not really going to happen. So what's going to happen is this car is getting traded for the Tesla. And here's a little bit of story. So this car's state inspection was expiring. So I went to take it for a new state inspection. And as you can see, there's a rejection sticker on the windshield. The reason why it failed was because this brake right here, the front left brake, is seized. And I don't have the tools to get the brake replaced. So in the quotes that mechanics were running in the area, it just seemed a little high for what the car's current valuation is. So my family and I, we figured that it wasn't the required maintenance for this car. There were other issues that needed to be addressed with this car too. The mechanics also said that there's some damage occurring with the front axle. And I mean, I took the car to multiple mechanics, so I know if I had just taken it to one, that they weren't bullshitting me. Yeah, I took it to multiple mechanics and all of them said the exact same thing. There's some damage with the front axle, front left brake is seized. So all of the required maintenance for this car, we felt that it wasn't worth it considered the car's current valuation. It was like the maintenance cost would have been about like 50% of the car's current valuation. So yeah, we decided to, pretty much on a whim, we decided to trade this car in for a Tesla. We wanted to see kind of what the EV hype is all about, and I'm looking forward to it. I know a lot of people, or a lot of car enthusiasts, give EVs a lot of hate, but and I'm not gonna lie, I was part of that crowd too. I used to hate on Teslas, but I'm pretty excited to see what they're all about. I mean, they are the future. Electric vehicles are the future. So now I guess now's a good time for me to embrace it. So I'm just gonna give a quick interior tour for this car. It's a pretty standard interior. There's the speedometer. I installed this steering wheel grip. Radio, climate controls, glove compartment, back seat, and then I did like that this car had it had like an automatic trunk lock. Here's the trunk, pretty solid space. The car's in pretty good condition, so we didn't use it too much. It only has about 100 and almost 102,000 miles on it. Yeah, this is the SR5 trim, so I believe it's 245 horsepower, 282 pound-feet of torque, and it has a V6 engine. Yeah, so my family, we've had this car for 17 years, 17 years filled with adventures and memories, so I'm pretty sad to see it go. I took this car with me to college and also had some pretty crazy adventures while I was there too. So yeah, this car has a lot of sentimental value to me and my family. We are sad to see it go, but we're also excited to see how the Tesla is going to be and pretty much what the future of cars is going to look like. So yeah. Alright, so we're at the Tesla delivery bay. So here we are. There's the 4Runner. And yeah, so they're handling the paperwork right now, and then I'm hoping pretty soon they're gonna bring out our new Model Y. So let's say one last goodbye to the 4Runner. Thank you for 17 years of adventures and fun. Gonna miss you.
Hey, congratulations.
Thank you. All right, here is the new Tesla. I think the color is Midnight Silver Metallic. It's the standard range rear-wheel drive. See if I can get this to focus. All right, so here's a better look of the Tesla. It's in the front. Oh, all right. There's the interior. I'm a fan of this minimalist look. I think it might get a little bit of getting used to view all the, you know, like your speedometer and all that information. Like you kind of have to look to the side because there's no screen here. So I think that would take getting some used to, but sure it's not that big of a deal. Let's check out the back seats. All right, these door handles are gonna take getting some used to as well. Oh, wow. All right, first thing I notice is there is a lot of legroom. Compared to the 4Runner, the floor of this car is a lot lower. I think that's also thanks to the fact that like the battery is below the floor and there's no front engine. So there's no like transmission, no drive shaft and all that stuff running through the center. Yeah, there's a lot of legroom. This is nice. And then here's the back. All right, so now we're gonna drive this thing home. Just think I'm starting to get used to it. The issue of having to look to the side for your speed information, it's pretty easy to get used to. I mean, I think it would be nice if they did have a screen here. Yeah, I think it would be nice if they had a screen here to display the speed information and some other useful stuff, like maybe how much gas you're using, but
Mach-E would be better, right?
Yeah, the Mach-E, yeah, that's an advantage the Mach-E has. That's just like an ease of getting information quickly without having to take your eyes off the road. Here you kind of have to look to the side, and I mean you'll get used to it, but it's just something worth pointing out. Yeah, so Sport pretty much just increases the weight of the steering feel.
Check for the speed limit.
the speed. It's so easy to realize like how that you're speeding without, well, okay, so it's easy to forget how fast you're going because there's no like engine noise. Yeah, I think comfort is the best steering feel. It's light, but it feels, I think, more precise. So we have successfully taken delivery of the Tesla Model Y, and my initial impressions of it is it's actually pretty comfortable and pretty fun to drive. But obviously I'll have more of like an in-depth idea of how the Tesla handles and what it's like living with the Tesla. I'll have more thoughts on that. So stay tuned for an update video. And yeah, thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, please leave a comment and subscribe. That will greatly help me out, and I would very much appreciate that. So yeah, catch you on the next video.